You could buy your toddler's Zarbee's cough syrup with a mystery ingredient that is natural flavors, industrial citric acid which is grown using mold, and potassium sorbate used as a preservative, or you can make your own easy natural cough syrup at home. Let me show you how. First, get one of these little ball jars, and we'll start with organic onion, which research supports not only eases the symptoms of a respiratory infection, but also provides antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. And then I'll chop up some garlic and a little thyme for additional antimicrobial properties. And then I'll add some ginger for additional anti-inflammatory properties and to help soothe a rough throat. Last, the local raw honey that holds it all together, packed with enzymes and antioxidants to help your immune system, especially reacting to any local allergens. Wait 24 hours and bam! Natural cough syrup without the added sketchy ingredients.